Hello, in this video we'll show you how to complete the peer review form. When you finish the tandem speaking task, you'll be directed immediately to the peer review form page where you can reflect on how the conversation went for you and give your partner some feedback. Before you start writing or at any time while you are completing the form, you can have a look at the videos of your tandem activity. You can do this by clicking on the View Video Session button. You're directed to a new window where you can press play and you can see your partner and yourself doing the speaking activity. When you finish reviewing the video, you can close the window and you're back to the peer review form. First of all, if you want to, you can start with the self-reflection and write in the box one or more things that you did well. You can write one item and then press add and then write another point in the second box. So here I've written I used some linking words, and then my second point was when I couldn't remember a word, I explained what I wanted to say in a different way. So two positive things about what I've done. Then, if you want to add another point, you can. Or you can move directly on to the point number 2, which is 3 language errors I made. I'm going to talk about my pronunciation, as I didn't pronounce public correctly. And then, if I want to, I can add another point there. And number 3, other comments. You can write in some more general comments about how you felt the activity went. And then moving on to peer feedback. Here you can write one or more things that you felt your partner did well. So in my tandem, my partner asked me lots of questions. So I'm writing here, you asked me lots of questions. Again, if you want to add some more points, you can by clicking on the add button on the right hand side. Then move on to 3 language errors your partner made. My partner used the present tense instead of using the past tense at times. So I'm going to let my partner know in the feedback. And if I want to, I can add another point there. And then again in 3, you can tell your partner something more general about the activity. So in this one, I thought that part 2 went really well. We had a very interesting conversation. So I'm just going to let my partner know that that's how I felt. When you're happy with all the feedback, you can press save and submit, save feedback and submit the form. And here you've got your feedback, and if you want to, you can view the received feedback